Alright, it's harvest season here in western Kansas. This is what we have going on. Let me introduce you to one of our new concierge vehicles here at Western Motor. If you guys are ever in need of service, you can take this out on the road while your truck's getting serviced. We just want to say thank you for everything you guys do out here on the farm. You are doing it well. This is modern farming. This is gentleman farming, right? I mean, a satellite from the sky. It's driving the tractor. We're listening to Royals baseball. Getting the weed in, making the money. This was always my favorite part of harvest, where you shut everything down and it's just quiet. Enjoy it. Happy harvesting.